Modifying the units. In Fusion 360, we can modify the units. So I have a sketch started, and I can go up to my document settings. I go over here to units, and right next to it, I've changed the active units. I have a little dialog box over here. By default, Fusion 360 is in millimeters. I can change it, for example, to inch, and I could say set it as default if I wish, if you're like in the United States, and you can say OK. And now your units are switched. You may switch these units at any time during the project. It'll automatically convert everything for you. So to modify the units, we go over here under our document settings in their browser, and we go to the units and click on the active and switch to whatever we need it to.